Customers are searching for the best product and services near them, and they want answers fast. Will your business show up at the exact time when your local customers are looking? Will they pick you out of the local businesses that offer the same product and services? Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to share the best ranking strategies to improve your local SEO. Strategy number 1. Claim company profiles. An important part of improving your local ranking involves claiming your online company profiles on various websites. Most importantly, you need to secure your Google My Business page. Make sure the information is up to date and continually changes as your business does. Spend time optimizing the page. This includes inputting the correct location, phone number, relevant categories, and any other information that helps customers find you. Then create content that you can use to optimize the page. Number 2. Add location pages to your website. You should be including suite numbers and deciding if you want street, avenue, road, etc. written in full or abbreviated. How the information is presented on these pages will determine how you will be updating your information everywhere else. So keep this in mind when choosing how to write your location information. Also, make sure your location information is consistent everywhere. In fact, with this we come to our next point, improve NAP inconsistency. For search engines to serve your business as a result for the searcher, your business name, address and phone number, NAP, need to be consistent everywhere. There are a couple of tools you can use to check the inconsistency of NAP. You can also go to our free citation audit tool to quickly check all the NAP inconsistency of your business. I have shared the link in description. Fourth strategy is target third-party visibility. Make a concentrated effort to get on websites that offer local listings such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Bing, or Refer Local. These popular websites can direct locals to your business. Pay attention to these profiles and make sure they have the right information. You will need your address, phone number, website, and little blurb about what you do to enhance visibility. Encourage customers to leave a review on these websites regarding their transaction with you. Getting your information on travel sites like TripAdvisor, Expedia, and Orbitz can be great and help you bring in even more business from tourists and guests. Seek to publish content on these websites to help direct consumer to your business. Very crucial and very important part is attain reviews. Social proof is another huge benefit to gaining reviews. Searchers see 5-star and they immediately know your business is highly recommended by their peers. So by getting reviews, you are actually tackling 3 major components of conversion: ranking, click-through rate, and conversion rate. Take advantage of Google AdWords Keyword Planner. It will help you research what keywords have the highest search volume and lowest competition, and will also help you find similar terms that your local audience is searching for. Another strategy is quality link building. Throwing random links into your content isn't enough to truly optimize it. You need to earn the link of major website. This is not easy to do for local SEO, but if you can get your foot in the door with major local friendly websites such as Yelp, TripAdvisor, you are already on the right way to higher ranking. If you are doing really well with SEO, you will earn a Wikipedia link which will help you to really make way. Simply optimize your links to the best of your ability by working to establish a relationship with local websites related to your industry. Capitalize on social media. Social signals are also very important for page rank. Every time someone likes, shares or follows a post, image or a video, it sends a social signal to the search engines, which will help you gain credibility on your third-party websites. You need to be on as many platforms as possible and interact with local followers regularly. Advertise local events, sponsor local teams, and offer discounts for residents, and share that information with everybody via social media. Improve content quality. If you have done anything regarding SEO, you know that the key to optimizing a web page is content. However, stuffing a blog post full of keywords isn't good enough anymore. You need content that's useful and will appeal to your local customer. It needs to have some authority and have a conversational tone that most audiences can relate to. Next, strategize keywords. Keywords are extremely important for local SEO, but if used poorly, can hurt your rankings. Search engines have been trained to recognize pages that are filled with keywords strictly for SEO purposes. Not to mention, customers don't find pages devoted entirely to keywords very useful and aren't likely to stick around. However, a few well-placed keywords are worth their weight in gold, especially in the landing pages, title text, and meta description. A few properly placed keywords, reviews on local pages, and quality links can go a long way. Implement just a few of these tips and your website will likely see an increase in local business in the near future. Next is citation audit. Citation audit is a careful analysis of the top directory sites for an inventory of businesses' existing citations, after which a business must fix inconsistencies, remove duplicacies, and ultimately claim their listings. Citation audit is also used in compiling incomplete citations like profiles, photos, and more. On these directories, the importance of citation audit for businesses cannot be overemphasized. According to a survey recently conducted by Moz, citations and external local signals are the fourth most important ranking factor for your local business. So these are the essentials on how to take your local SEO efforts to the next level. Make the most of them to enhance your online visibility in local searches and grow your business. So this is the end of the video. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Until then, keep moving forward.